down a second, or all the rows except these two. Everybody sit down except for our front. Now, will you guys turn around and face them? Okay, everybody face them. Everybody, like you face them too. Okay, now, front row is gonna hook up. Front row's hooking on. And now the back row's gonna hold their shoulders. So, yeah. So what I want you to do is put your arms on their shoulders like this. Put your feet apart back, people. Like hold on to them, okay? And if you want to get those great upper bodies, one thing we want to work on is holding those shoulders. And they're like a human harness. I invented this, and it works really good. So like, just can you guys kick one? I don't want to trip on you guys. Can you guys kick 1 second? And we're gonna see if it helps having someone hold your shoulders. And people in the back, when they're really kicking, you gotta hold them. Okay, so, and you can put your thumbs in a little bit to make them aware. I don't mean hurt them, but you know, make them feel that they gotta roll those shoulders back. Okay, ready? Just 8 kicks. Kick high this time, so you can feel it. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Pull down faster. Okay, pull down faster. Did you feel that? It's an amazing thing to try. So when you go home, I want you to try that. Let's try it again. Ready? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, down, down. 3, down. I lost my count, down. Okay, purple and black legs. Snap down a little harder. Okay, faster. Okay, switch rows. Have these guys try it. I won't make everyone do it. I'm just trying to help you get this feel. Okay? All right. Ready. You know what else you can use for this? You know what else you can use this for, you guys? Can I borrow you a second? Like you could use this for hips too, because if I could hold her here, like if she was hooked up like that, I could hold her here. Another problem with kickers is this, going like this. So do you know what I'm saying? So I want you to imagine flashlights right here, and your flashlight should stay straight forward. You don't want your flashlights up to the sky. But sometimes if you hold them here, you can help prevent that. So that's something to watch for on your own. Okay, let's try this with you guys. Thank you. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have some excellent stuff going on in here. Looks really good, okay? We really do. Did you think? Yeah, that was neat. Okay, all right. So now everybody back up. Here we go. I just want you to try that. We won't try that with everybody. Is that okay? But you can try it at home. Okay. Thank you guys for doing that.